Good morning, everyone. Today is February 10th, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Before we get into our trades, of course, please read and note the disclaimer that you see on your screen. We are HyperFX Academy, and we educate people on how to trade the Forex market successfully and with very minimal risk. You're seeing the first trade for the day. Now you're going to notice that this is one of our live accounts for a $10,000 account that one of our students actually set up for today. This is his first time trading on this account, so we're actually really excited. I will be, of course, narrating all the trades for you. The first trade that you're looking at on your screen was our euro-dollar trade, and this particular trade we took profits of just about $85. Now, of course, the amount is going to be smaller, not like my $100,000 account where you'll notice the profit margin was a lot higher. Of course, you have to realize that's because of the account size. So going forward, we will be trading from this account with our student, and we'll be showing you the results as we go along. Like I was mentioning yesterday, we were getting a lot of comments, a lot of emails stating that you guys want more of a realistic examples of our trades. So typically, like I said, typical students start off with that $10,000 live account. So which is why going forward we will be showing you results on this live account. So the trades that were placed, of course, are using our HyperFX strategy. And of course, what you see on your screen is the Hyper Scalping strategy, which identifies key breaks in the market and very high probability turning points. So as you know, I trade this setup very often, and it's been very profitable. And actually, we're very comfortable trading this setup. So second trade that you're noticing on your screen, again, this was my euro-dollar trade. This was our second trade for the day, and we took profits of just over $85 again. So as you know, I may have been trading my $100,000 account, but this student is trading our a live $10,000 account, and a 3% a day. If our margin, of course, our profit margin is between 2 to 3% per day. At that margin, we're making about $300 per day. That is an extra $6,000 a month, and just over $72,000 a year. And again, like I only trade for about 2 to 3 hours max per day. So it's not something that I'm sitting in front of the computer and spending my whole day on this. There we go, guys. Coming back to the trade, you'll notice that we closed the trade, and then we're going to be taking you to our third trade, which was our Aussie dollar trade. Now this trade actually, this chart was really slow. It ran for a little bit longer than we had anticipated, and we exited the trade when we knew when to take our profit target. We took just over $40 on this trade, which was great. Like I said, it was a long trade, and we just really wanted to be out of that trade. You never really want to be stuck, in a trade for a very long time. You want to just basically take your profits and exit, especially when it's slow and the market is really not doing much on that particular chart. So here we go. This while the trade is running. So like I was saying, this is our first time trading a live account with our student who has taken the HyperFX system. He spent the time, we trained him on how the system works. He's very familiar with it. Of course, he was able to double his demo account and very comfortable trading, which is why, we are actually taking him with his live account today. And like I said, we had great first day, just about 2.7% in profits overall on his account. So here we go, guys. So again, just touching on why do we trade the Forex market. It's the largest market in the world with over $4 trillion, which is traded daily. You can trade 24/7, 5 days a week, a time and schedule that best fits your whatever is convenient for you. There's different sessions you can trade. There's an evening session, there's a morning session, the US Open, which is what I trade, and then there's the Asian session as well. So, you know, with the right system, again, the profit, the potential is unmatched. Here we go, guys. This trade's going to close very shortly. You'll notice on your screen. And then I'm going to take you through our fourth trade for the day, which was the pound dollar trade. And this particular trade, actually, we were in and out very quickly, under 10 minutes, I would say, on this trade. And I took profits. We took about $37 on this trade as well. So the HyperFX strategy, I cannot stress how important this system is and how you can actually make money with this system with the proper training and with the proper tools, which we will provide coming up in our workshop, as you know, which is coming up in March. We're really excited. We're getting a great response from all of you. Of course, for those of you who cannot attend, there will be an online modular system set up so you can absolutely trade and learn the system like that. And again, if you're thinking about attending our workshop, the spots are very limited and they're actually filling up fast. So if you are thinking about it, we recommend that you send us an email, get in touch with us. Our contact information, of course, is on our YouTube channel as well. That way you can reserve your spot and you know, you can be a part of that great workshop. Coming back to your screen, guys, this was our last trade for the day, and we really wanted to end the day. It was about 10:30, and like I said, we like to be out before 11. This is our pound dollar trade, and we took profits about $55 in this particular trade, and that was going to be, you know, the end of our trading session for today. So we're gonna zoom in at the end of this trade to our closing balance, and then of course you'll notice the opening balance as well in the beginning of the videos. So there we go, closing this trade out. And now we're coming into our closing balance. You can note on the left bottom side of your screen. So it's at $10,277, which we're actually absolutely excited about. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, HyperFX. I will be back tomorrow, guys, with more trades, more of my live trades. Until then, you guys have a great day and happy trading.